There's a little baby one that's climbing. All right, so does that make sense now with that skeleton that you saw? So, what kind of joint did we say?
Hey, you be careful, you little youngster.
What kind of joint did we say our wrists have?
Hinge joints.
You guys remember?
Hinge.
Very good. So our wrist is a hinge joint, right?